In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use time tracking in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and look to the upper left corner of your screen. There, click your Workspace avatar. This is where you can access settings and tools that affect how your workspace functions overall, so it's the right place to begin if you want to turn on a feature like time tracking. Once that menu opens, select Apps to go into the App Center. Inside the App Center, you'll find different workspace features and tools that can be enabled depending on how your team likes to work. From there, click All ClickUps. This section contains the available ClickUps you can turn on or manage for your workspace. Next, use the search bar to look for time tracking. Searching makes things quicker, especially if you have a lot of ClickUps listed. When you find time tracking, go ahead and turn it on. Enabling this ClickUp allows you to record how much time is spent on specific tasks, which can be especially useful for productivity, reporting, or client work. After turning it on, you'll be asked to select the spaces where you want time tracking to be available. Choose the spaces that fit your workflow. This is helpful because it lets you control where the feature appears, instead of enabling it everywhere if that's not necessary. Now that time tracking is enabled, open the task where you want to track time. In the task details, look for the time tracked field. This is the area where all recorded time for that task will appear, and it's also where you can start tracking live time directly from the task itself. When you begin working, click the Start Timer button. This will begin recording your time in real time, so it's a simple way to keep an accurate log without needing to remember it later. Once you finish working on the task, click the Stop button to end the timer. After stopping the timer, enter a description for the time entry. This is a good habit because it gives context to the work you completed and makes your time logs easier to review later. Keep the description clear and specific so you can quickly understand what that block of time was used for. Finally, I save the time entry. Once it's saved, your track time will be attached to the task and available for reference. Thanks for watching.